Okay, I have here my lawnmower with a Briggs Stratton engine. It's not working. I did the whole carburetor thing, didn't work. Then I measured the coil and I found there a high resistance between the plug and the coil. So I bought this Chinese crap replacement, and when I tried to remove this, the plug cap, the spark plug cap, and put it on here, I found this. You can remove it. And then I found some white powder on it, some high resistance stuff, and then when I measure it, I'm not sure if you can see it. It gives 5,000 ohms. So I see a lot of people measuring the coil in the cap, but you should pull the cap loose and measure from the connector. And well, what I found in my case is that the problem is in the connector and not in the coil. So save yourself 20 to 50 euros. First pull this thing loose, measure from here to there, and see if you have the correct resistance. Result: I fixed my lawnmower. So, a very small tip: if you have a problem with you think you have a high resistance on your coil, make sure you do not measure from the plug itself, but disconnect it from the plug cap, spark plug cap. Measure from here, because probably the problem is high resistance in this connection between the plug, the spark plug cap, and this thing. I just used some WD-40, sprayed it in, cleaned it, and now it's running like a baby. So, very simple. You may recognize these type of caps because they have this metal protector around it. So that's it. Save yourself some money on buying a new coil. First, check this.